All right. It's Mike Kinderleiter here. I am the Dean of Power Wash, and today is Washaholic Wednesday. Today I want to talk about timely reward and punishment. And one of the things that happened to me as a young man was I got in a lot of trouble when I was in school, right? So my senior year in high school, and that's when I started my power washing business. I got sent to the dean's office, and they called my dad, and he was quite frustrated with the fact that he was getting called for me getting in trouble. And with his frustration, they asked him, "Your son's here in the office, and we have a choice. We can give him licks, or we can send him to the study hall." And my dad told him to give me both. Well, that was a bit frustrating for me because my jaw kind of dropped. Said, "Really? I got to get both?" So I got licks, and I got sent to detention, which I called study hall, but it was detention, after school detention, for a week. And but at any rate, it was timely. It was timely. It was based on my behavior. My behavior had escalated and got worse, and so I got treated for that because I wasn't acting correctly. And one of the things, the reason I say this is because when you're managing employees and stuff, you don't want to put long delays in between dealing with things that go on and stuff that happens in the company. And if they screw up, you need to address it as immediately, as fast as possible, so they can respond and they can get that connection. But on the flip side of that, you want to reward in a timely fashion too. So you want to pay or reward or give bonuses based on their activity and their conduct. So with that being said, when I was a senior in high school, and I had friends getting cars, trucks, and whatnot that they could drive around, instead of me being given a car or a truck, my dad actually gave me a small power washer and told me if I went out and got business, I didn't have to pay for that power washer. And he actually helped me get my first couple accounts, and then he got on my case about getting more jobs and stuff. But from there, I grew my business, and the rest is history, kind of where I am today. But what I want to share with you, it's very important to respond with your employees and your staff in a timely fashion. I think as business owners and even parents sometimes, they're very relatable, by the way. Parenting and dealing with staff is we want to put off that conflict or that confrontation that we know we're going to have to deal with, and we're worried about people quitting or responding in a negative manner. You got to put that out of your head. You got to put the business and the team first, and you got to deal with it as soon as possible. So, anyway, that's my tip for today. It's Washaholic Wednesday. I hope you're having a successful and awesome time. I'm Mike Kinderleiter doing a power wash. Don't be afraid to get out there and get dirty. Take care. See you next week.